Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Annalise, and for those who are brand new, my channel is about me cooking various dishes that my mom, my dad, my brother, my sister, or whoever comes on the show with me decides. But the twist is I don't know what I'm making until right now. So my ingredients are carrots and cabbage. I have to look at it. Mashed potatoes, eggs, an onion, cilantro, bacon, butter, oil, flour, and salt and pepper. I don't know what I'm making.
Howdy folks, it's Barry here from My Virgin Kitchen, back in the Scoff food kitchen. Today's recipe is perfect for any leftovers you've got, called Bubble and Squeak, named after it because that's the sound it makes in the pan when we cook it up. It's delicious, and you're going to absolutely love this, and you must give it a go.
So what Bubble and Squeak is basically mashed potato patty with eggs on top. It kind of looks like shepherd's pie, but just in patty form, and they just put an egg on top. So when my auntie Claire was on my show a couple weeks ago, she said a good way to not tear up from cutting onions was to keep them in the fridge, and this onion has been in the fridge for a day or so, and I'm tearing up. Oh God.
We are just going to use 25 grams of butter today, but you could use
How many grams are in a tablespoon? I'm from America, so I'm doing Mexican style. What else do we need to do? So we got that. Besides that, we just need the butter, not butter, the flour, and then the poached eggs. How do you think these are gonna turn out?
The potatoes are delicious. Nice.
Do you think you'll like them with the poached potato?
Potatoes are nice. I think it's gonna be delicious.
Okay. What would you change if you were to change anything about it besides potatoes? Because you like potatoes.
I don't think I would change anything.
No.
No.
Still keep the poached eggs, everything.
It makes it interesting.
Okay, let's try it. It's a lot better than I thought it would be.
I don't know what you expected. I thought it was going to be delicious.
Thank you to Barry Lewis from Scoff Foods. If you guys want to check out the original video, it should be in this description. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to know when I post, and you guys should try this. Try to make it. It's really interesting. And thank you guys for the support. It means a lot. Yeah, thank you.